What we are about to present to you is probably one of the most exciting products Scott has ever created. The Symbol 2 Plus D. To make this helmet a real benchmark on the ski market, we launched the Symbol 2 Plus D with 3 key safety technologies: D3O technology, MIPS, and 360 pure sound. D3O technology is designed to address low to mid energy impacts and is combined with EPS, which addresses high energy impacts. MIPS technology addresses rotational violences to the brain on angular impacts. And 360 pure sound technology is an insert we developed to increase audio clarity and improve sound localization. A specifically shaped inner ear piece is inserted in the ear pads of our helmets, surrounded by a sound transparent fabric, letting you hear better while skiing. Another key focus of Scott's engineers was to deliver a helmet that can perform equally well in extremely cold or hot conditions. Our extensive wind tunnel testing clearly demonstrated that our helmet design has the largest temperature variance from open to closed, clearly outperforming the key competitors on the market. Through innovation, technology, and design, we have been able to set a new standard for helmets for the future. The Symbol 2 Plus D, the safest and most ventilated helmet we've ever created.
The Vision X has quickly become a favorite among Pret athletes and the press, and for good reason. This helmet has set a new benchmark in snow sports. The low-profile fit provides ideal integration with any modern goggle, and its lightweight construction leads to a premium, high-performing helmet unmatchable in any other women's helmet available. The Level C ventilation allows you to open and close your vents seamlessly with the flick of a lever. That means you can open it up on those warm spring days and shut it down when temps are dropping, or go back and forth when you're out for a full day on the hill. MIPS technology comes standard in all Pret X helmets. MIPS stands for Multi-Directional Impact Protection System, and basically means extra protection for your brain during angled impacts. Add that to the full wrap lower shell and Pret's advanced composite technology, and you get maximum protection at a strength and weight only Pret can deliver. The Vision X is super versatile and great for resort skiing and riding, patrolling, instructing, freeride, side country, backcountry, and cat and heli access terrain and guiding. It includes Pret's RCS QR fit system to dial in the perfect fit, a Fidlock magnetic buckle that is easy to get connected with gloves or mitts on, super comfortable fabric, and audio-ready ear covers. Trust me, the control the Vision X gives you will make you feel more comfortable and protected than ever before.
Grid MIPS and Envy MIPS. Get ready to experience one of the lightest helmets with the Grid MIPS and Envy MIPS. Whether you're splitboarding, ski touring, or just taking full advantage of some corduroy, a lightweight helmet that's durable and comfortable makes the turns that much more enjoyable. But you don't have to go far off the grid to reap all these benefits. You'll notice their extremely lightweight construction allows you to make powdery turns and then tour back to the top without being weighed down. When you're feeling the burn and things start to heat up, easily control your temperature with the thermostat control and stack ventilation. The Grid and Envy also feature MIPS spherical technology, which reduces rotational energy during certain impacts for an additional level of confidence. Plus, you'll stay super comfortable thanks to Polartec lining that dries quickly and provides unparalleled breathability. Buckle up and drop in with the Grid and Envy MIPS.
Watts, the original vented visor helmet. With its trend-setting hard visor shell, true all-season versatility, and classic burn styling, Watts is at home on your board, your skis, your bike, or in the water. Watts features thin shell construction, which pairs a strong, durable ABS outer shell with the traditional EPS impact foam liner. This places it amongst the most durable helmets in the Burn line. All Burn helmets feature a signature low-profile look, and the Watts is no different. Sink-fit design allows Watts to sit lower and wrap around your head, delivering a full surround feel. Our plush, BOA adjustable liner has drop-in audio-ready ear pads and a fully tunable fit. Swap out the winter liner with an optional summer version for true all-season versatility. The Watts fits, looks, and feels great. Different from most other helmets, Watts also passes both bike and snow safety certifications, making it a true all-season performer with hardcore ripper style. MIPS optional, Watts is available in 3 sizes.